Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Descript to generate SRT then export to Premiere. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Descript on your computer. Import your video file by clicking on the import option in the project panel. Select the video you want to work with and click open. Once the video is uploaded, click on the transcription button located in the upper toolbar. Choose the language for the transcription and click transcribe. Wait for Descript to process the video and generate the text. Review the generated transcription to ensure accuracy. Make any necessary edits to the transcription directly in the text panel. After finalizing your transcription, click on Share in the upper right corner. Select Export from the drop-down menu. Choose SRT as your export format. Select the desired settings for your SRT file. Click on the Export button to generate the SRT file. Choose a location on your computer to save the SRT file. Now, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Import your video file into Premiere by clicking on File and then Import. Drag the video to the timeline. To add the SRT file, go to File again and select Import. Locate your saved SRT file and click Open. In the project panel, drag the SRT file into the timeline above your video layer. Adjust the timing of the captions if necessary. Finally, preview your video to ensure the captions display correctly. Export your project as usual to finalize the video with the SRT subtitles included. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.